most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?
I'm Jack.
I'm Jack to the test!
Hi there guys, welcome back into another session, just 1 hour into the London European session here on the 3rd of December. We're into our Santa rally month. Do we get a Santa rally? We'll have a look at a few levels. So we're going to have a look at the usual stuff today. We're going to have a look at Bitcoin and a few levels and the order flow, and then a couple of alts with you today as well. But yeah, thought we were in for a good week of trading today. Direction not implied, but said to the guys on the Discord at the weekend, I said I think we're in for some good trading next week, okay? XRP holding steady at 3rd spot. Well done to everyone that's been holding that for the last 10 years. You're actually in profit now. 17% in the last 24 hours. Doing some really good volume as well. Just under 45 billion in 24-hour volume. 57 billion circulating supply. I just want to point something out about that in a second. But yeah, a lot of green on the board. Really, really good to see it. I think we're still in for a good week. Direction not implied. Just to highlight quickly, new format of the videos. Okay, so we're going to do our Tuesday video. Generally on a Tuesday, because I like to see what price action and flows are going on a Monday. Obviously, we had a very green day yesterday. Okay, let's calm things down a little bit on a Tuesday and see what is going on. And then Thursday or Friday is going to be the update of what we've seen. Okay, so where we've come from, where we're going, and then we'll do the review. All right, so that's going to be the format in the foreseeable future. Okay, so yeah, some nice levels coming in on BTC and on alts. Alts are absolutely ripping some levels, aren't they? But yesterday, fresh week, let's get to it. No reason for fresh longs here on BTC. 100k defense again, and no bid to push price up. Short hedge. At the time for me, XRP was under heavy supply, and then it just ripped it apart. Crazy coin. I'll show you that in the TRDR console in a second. Just while I'm on that, last day, I believe the guys will confirm in the socials, but last day, I believe today, December the 3rd, to get 20% off. Okay, 20% off the console. Okay, after that, we're looking at doing a discount on the Academy course as well. But go and grab the console for sure. Grab the link from below and get yourself a discount on the best data in the crypto market, okay? But yeah, basically yesterday, I was saying no reason for fresh longs on BTC, okay? Alts did very, very well yesterday. Mondays, we actually chopped down this area here, okay? Hit some perps walls, chopped that down, bounced back up, and actually got a lower high on the lower time frame with another BTC diamond into the supply zone and then down. Okay, so a little bit of a hedge short position. Actually came out of the longs, perpetuals, derivatives longs from last week in this zone into the weekend, to be honest myself, on BTC and Pepe, and hedged a little bit of short yesterday in that zone. Okay, because yeah, just not seeing the dynamic bid coming up to push price just yet. A few things going on then. Yeah, cheers for you. Retail is definitely here. When XRP hits $100, the Lambos will be out. Yeah, good on you. I hope everyone's doing very, very well off that. But yeah, a couple of things to point out. Apparently Pepe is getting bought up today by people shilling $10 worth. I don't fucking know. We'll have a look at the chart on Pepe and see if we agree if it can move or not. And that is the only way I will enter fresh, brand new derivatives longs on that. Income Sharks pointing out on XRP. I do like this chart because it looks ridiculous. But this is your XRP monthly chart just on Kraken here. And look at this. And I do have to say it wouldn't surprise me in the absolute slightest if this just rocketed and then settled below $1 again. Not to slay XRP. I'm not a fan of XRP. I'm not slagging it off. But one thing I do want to say is if you have done well from this rally, if you've held from 2024 and you've done well from this rally, please, please, please take a bit of profit. A little bit. Just please realize a little bit of profit and go and treat yourself, or just put it in some stables to reinvest somewhere else. 43% of the XRP tokens are still not even circulating. Okay, just something I want to highlight. And what you might find from this is that they'll say, Garlic House or whatever his name is, and Chris Larson, they'll say, oh yeah, we've got it locked up in escrow or whatever, but it's never a good sign, especially if you're a bit of a crypto native and believer. 43% of the tokens are actually still locked up. Okay, so out of total supply of 99.99 billion XRP, you've only got 57 billion in circulating supply. That's fucking nuts, right? So yeah, they might shield this argument of it's an escrow, you know, the World Banks are going to use it and blah, blah, blah. It don't fucking matter. Who is holding that and what are they doing with it? You know, if you just draw some comparisons to Solana, okay, total supply in Solana, 589.43 million. Circulating supply, 475. Nice, okay? If anyone's brand new, I love that song by Kanye West. If anyone's brand new, Bitcoin, hard money, hard data, all right? Total supply so far, 19.79 million. Circulating supply, 19.79 million, okay? That's what you want to get. The closer to even you can get it on any assets, the better. Imagine a shit coin you're looking at on a DEX or something. Imagine if someone held 43% of that. I'd be shitting myself about that coming back down or something. But yeah, please, just try and realise some profits on XRP if you have done well. I hope everybody has. I used to hold XRP back in the day in 2018. 2017-18, when we were at a time when it was a kind of a case of like slinging mud at a wall and seeing what sticks. You just kind of put a bit of money in everything and got out of that one. But yeah, what we'll do is we're going to have a look at BTC and some levels in trading view. Okay, let's go top down, shall we? Let's go top down from the weekly as we're still battling a little bit of a supply zone. Here we are, okay? So, nice buyback on this wick from last week when we got a bit more risk on last week, okay? Where did we come from? 90k zone, okay? It was really nice demand zone, that. And you've got a really nice buyback on that wick. We're now coming back down. Do we go and revisit that area? I'm not sure. I mean, that's a hell of a nice, you know, weekly wick. Maybe just a midpoint there, 93, 94, but we'll have a look at some levels. But definitely still 100k defense. Final boss, 100k. Final boss still not defeated yet. Daily, okay? Daily chart, you can see the order block and the defense up here. Okay, we're just hitting a little bit of a fib time. I've got my old crystal ball fib times out. Fib time today. Do we get some downside? Don't know. But if we do, I've got some lower targets ready. Do we get an alien invasion today and BTC sells off, and then the lizards and the great aliens come and buy up all our BTC at lower price? Well, I'd be open to getting a little bit of the bid in lower myself, okay? But yeah, no real strong daily levels. You've just got that one again. You know, you're looking at 90 and 91k at the minute, okay? First level of confluence, and we will check that in the TRDR console with the order flow as well. 4-hour chart. What I'm going to tell you might bore some people. You are now ranging, okay? These are the cards we've been dealt. You are now ranging on this time frame, okay? Daily and 4-hour. Higher time frame weekly. Higher time frame weekly and daily. You're still very much on trend, but the 4-hour and the 1 hour, you're very much just ranging. And you can see here, where are we? Okay, so we're wicked up and you're now just stuck under this point of control, which is actually now your monthly open, okay? So what you want to be looking for, and we will drop to lower time frames in a second, this is us now. I'll tell you what, I'll do it on the 1 hour time frame in a second. Value area lows down here, just below 94k. Value area highs up there near 98k. Okay, Jeets at the top, Chads at the bottom. Bid the lows, sell the tops until one side breaks. I think that is the way you can play this range right now. While BTC does range here, alts are still going to perform well, aren't they? Okay, let's have a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so 1 hour time frame here presents the range in a little bit better state. Let me just pull that across to my old lower time frame, fib time here as well, coming in at 10 a.m. Euro time. Okay, so came down. Okay, so starting to create on lower time frame, just lower time frame, not particularly mega bearish. It's just a range, yeah. But we're just starting to create some lower highs here. Okay, no lower lows yet or anything. So we are presented with this range. Value area lows, value area highs. How do we review this? We basically we mark it off. We bid the lows. Okay, we sell the highs. All right, let's color that up red for us retards out here, okay? And then what I tend not to do really is trade in the middle zone, okay? I tend to not trade in the middle zone. I call that the crab zone, okay? So this is your 1 hour range on BTC, okay? Nice little order block down there at 94.4. Right, so should we have a look at a couple of alts and then we'll jump into the order flow. A couple of alts to look at with you. Let me just reset that and have a look where ETH is. So ETH has done really, really well. And you can just see from the structure on ETH, ETH still very much looks like it's kind of trying to get trend continuation. Where would I be looking at? 3550 down here, just a 1 hour order block down there. You can see ETH is stuck under these VWAPs in the monthly open as well as it just rotates down with BTC. Okay, not a lot to say there, but it's still very much a trending chart. Very, very nice. Let me have a look at Soy Boy Sol. Zoom out there, Soy Boy Sol. Okay, so Sol, after it led the market, didn't it? Way back there. Absolutely brilliant stuff from Sol. Mega absolute send, tends to be a bit of a front runner for the rest of the market. Sol is very much doing a similar thing. I'm just pulling a range here on Sol. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so that's your value area high, value area low. Now we are actually in it, and order blocks there. Okay, 220. Okay, I'd actually be even open just to come in a little bit lower on Sol. And if I just go to a 4 hour, you've actually got your trend a lot lower, but big 4 hour order block there as well at 200 on that at that lower number. Do we get there in one clip? Not sure if we do, but that would be cheap. Few other coins that are doing well. Let me just concentrate on a couple of the bigger memes because I do like them. Okay, Pepe has done very well. Just want to point out again there. Okay, so this was our last risk on that tweeted about on Pepe. Very good, very good. Into the weekend, took a bit of profit on that one. Very much still in its range. Okay, so if this is going to get a really good bid, okay, in the next 24 hours, like you're seeing everyone shill on Twitter and TikTok and all the like, I don't give a shit. I want it down here. Okay, I want to bid the value area lows. Okay, so you've got a 1 hour order block here. Your value area there is starting, I'll just call it 198, but you've got these order blocks down here. Any deviation into these lows, still happy to bid a bit of Pepe. All right, guys, quick look at Doge then, I guess, as Department of Government Efficiency, or whatever we're calling it nowadays. So Doge, yeah, I've got a range on here. It kind of broke the structure like BTC did, bounced back up, and BTC looked very much like this as well. And it's just coming back, and it's just holding that 1 hour EMA there, but it's sat under all this confluence like the rest of the markets, to be honest. So monthly open, monthly VWAPs, all sat below. Nice confluence. If we do get a turn of events and a turn down, I do like this zone down here at the 0.388 on Doge. Point of control of the range, 1 hour order block. Very nice. Right then, so dive in some order flow. Let's go.
Well, in my book, you either do it right or you get eliminated.
Right then, guys, here we are. TRDR console still 20% off today. Go and grab some of the best data in the crypto market. How are you even trading or investing without it? All right, just on the multiverse at the minute. Watching ETH, okay, so ETH hitting some demand back here yesterday, as a lot of other coins did. You can see ETH and Rune. Rune was absolute beauty. I missed that one. Pretty pissed off with myself, but it happens. So I hope we get some rotations down again so I can get involved. But yeah, missed that one. Alt Diamond alert there on Rune, absolute beauty. I know a couple of guys in the social got that one. ETH was a good one as well. So really good, just day trades here. Okay, XRP. I woke up, shorted XRP, the Lizard Illuminati coin, and then absolutely round-tripped it. Isn't that always the case? So posted a P&L card when we're down here, 9 a.m-ish or something like that, to the guys in the private Discord. Go join the academy if you want to get involved in that. And then I left my desk with the intention of coming back at lunch. Stops at break even, right up here, real good execution, stops at break even. Came back at lunchtime, bang, stopped out. It happens, doesn't it? It was strong yesterday, but yeah, another couple of XRP diamonds at the top there, but really, you want to hide your stop losses behind this order block, okay? I actually put mine to break even, got stopped out break even, and that's it. You move on, okay? So, nice chilled day for me yesterday. I do like to watch the order flow on a Monday and see what's going on. Okay, so BTC, let's have a look at BTC then. So BTC, this was back on Friday, okay? So, absolutely rose up, hit some BTC diamonds, sell signals, sell alerts from the perpetuals and the spot market. And then this order block here was actually derivatives saying, no, you are going nowhere. So 100k, 101k above. But that order block there at like 98.5, that was actually derivatives there. Binance Futures saying, no further, this is it. end of the line. Okay, and then we held all weekend, pumped up into the Asian session open. Okay, there, my time Asian session open, hitting another BTC diamond and right down. And again, you're in a supply zone here, so that was why I was kind of tweeting and saying, look, I'm not that bothered putting some risk on longs here. I need to see some more demand, you know. I want to see some more of this. If I get some more of this action in the demand zone, then I'll get involved. But right here, right now, BTC is just in this range. It needs to go and auction some lows and find some bid. A little bit of bid coming in there at 95. We can just see some entity coming in at 95. But again, the real demand zones are actually coming in at 90k. Lots of orders around that 90k level. If we do break that for any reason, okay, for any reason, 86, you're going to have to look at 86, I'm afraid. All right, guys, so this is where we are. These are the cards we've been dealt. Let me just go to a full window and have a look at what the other exchanges are doing on BTC. Okay, so Binance Spot, supply. Jeets at the top, selling under 100k, okay, and still selling now. No real bid. Look at the ratios here: 1 to 2.5, 2.5 to 5%. No ratio bid. The only person bidding this, Kraken USD. Let's go and have a look at what they're doing. But not even, you know, there's no strength in that. So back to spot. Little bit of a bid here, but from spot markets. Little bit of a bid there at 92, but then it's really all about 90k again. My issue with that always when trading a range is we've been there before. Okay, so if it's really strong, fine. Maybe it's double bottom, triple bottom, and we just bounce from there. Certainly a trade I would look to take, but I don't like to revisit areas too many times. Okay, Coinbase Pro have got your nearest order block 94.2. Obviously that one on Binance Spot was quite small, so 94.2, and then again 90k. Okay. I'm not going to dwell too much on the other exchanges, but even Qcoin and some of the others have been selling this zone over the weekend again, okay? Let's go and have a look at derivatives. Biggest order market in the biggest market we've got. Again, Bybit don't present us with the data, the cheeky fuckers. So yeah, BTC Diamonds, Perps are involved in this as well. So Perps have been doing some selling and we're rotating down, which is nice because I did hedge a bit of a short. Said to the guys, look, I'm coming out of my long positions now. I think we're going to maybe just auction and range this area a little bit more. And volume up yesterday in the US session, BTC Diamond, we were a little bit high away from the top levels, so tighten that risk up already. Happy to do that. We are in a bull market after all. Short should be light leverage and risk well managed. And we're coming down. We can see here from the bands, okay, so good bid depth. I mean, look at this, 5 to 10% away, you've got to appreciate that, okay? So this is percentage away from current price, 5 to 10% and 10 to 25. Derivatives, you can see all here on the ratios, they're ready, yeah? They're absolutely ready, but a little bit lower. So that's what you need to consider, okay? 90k is your nearest big fat order block again, okay? When we get there, if we get there, then we'll have a look. For the top side, if we do rise up again, look, this is what you don't want to see if you are bullish and looking for instant continuation. It's only small, but you don't want to see these offers come down and chase price like here and here, okay? So they're coming down to meet price. You don't want to see that. So we'll see what we get today. Summary being, BTC is in a range. I'm sure that other assets will do well, but BTC is in a range. It may need to auction lower, okay? If we go there, same recipe. What do you want to see? Well, it'd be nice to see some bullish volume divergences down there, and I want to see the ratios instantly fill up, okay? Like when we got a really nice buyback last week from that demand zone. Again, this is what you want to see, okay? Really easy risk-reward trades from these zones. BTC Diamonds, absolute massive, huge order blocks in defense. Aggregated bid depth, 900 million. We probably hit $1 billion there at one point, okay? This is what you want to see again. Maybe it's, yeah, like I said, maybe it's some kind of double or triple bottom if we do visit down there. But that's what I want to see. Aggregated depth at the minute, 200 million, okay? No one's too interested right here, right now, in playing longs back up. And I think that is very valid, to be honest. I think if we are going to crack this 100k level, which has been like an absolute fortress up here, hasn't it, okay? It's been hard work. If we're going to go and crack that level, we need to come down, find some demand, grab some real good momentum, and then just go, yeah? Because it has to be said, open interest has calmed down. We're not in a heated market like we were 2 weeks ago. Open interest has calmed down. Let's go find some bid, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. So live in the Discord, TRDR Discord, a little bit later on, just at the US Open. Don't miss that. It's vital you don't miss these live sessions. They are on every day, okay? They are not recorded, so you just have to join us, yeah? But they are every day. We're updating the charts in the trading section as well. But yeah, I still think we're in for a good week, but direction not implied. All right, guys, grab yourself 20% off today only from the TRDR console. And then when we do a discount on the course as well, which has access to the private Discord with more trade setups and one-on-one tutoring, we'll put that on the socials. Hope you have a great day. Speak soon. Cheers.
I bet your margins are pretty nice and fat.
Let's not talk about my margins, by the way. Being nice and fat, that's a nice shirt. Do they make it for men?